everyone. So today we're going to do the
Chubby Bunny Challenge. Yay!
I'm here with my brothers.
Papa.
You can see your real name.
Bishop.
Okay,
Nice
Bishop,
to
nice to meet you. And
Chris.
And I'm Jasmine. We're going to do Chubby Bunny Challenge. We have our marshmallows here. Our deformed marshmallows. I don't know what happened to them. But
Oh no.
yeah, you guys know the rules of the game?
Yes.
Yeah.
What are we supposed to do?
We're supposed to stuff a lot of marshmallows in our mouth and say Chubby Bunny. And who says I can't stuff enough in my mouth?
How are you supposed to say that? You're gonna
say you can't stuff enough in your mouth. And if you can't, you lose.
You lose.
If any of you guys got that?
Yes.
I'll do it first. All right. Ooh, it's sticky.
Oh.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Come on. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Wow.
Chubby Bunny.
You're gonna choke if you keep.
This makes my cheeks feel weird.
I know.
How about you suck? Go ahead.
Say Chubby
That's why we put it on the
Bunny.
side of her cheeks.
Chubby Bunny.
Why you sound like that? Alright.
Because of Christopher.
I can't.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm gonna work.
Chubby Bunny.
Dang it. Chubby Bunny.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Chubby Bunny. My cheeks hurt.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Look at
Then doing this challenge.
Ew, that's disgusting. Hold on. Chubby Bunny. Ew, I'm gonna throw up. Chubby Bunny. Spit it out, spit it out.
Papa win.
That's not, get off my bed. You guys are,
Oh God, I was thrown up.
ew.
Oh God, I gotta puke. Oh God.
All right.
I gotta go wash my hands.
No, we gotta sit down. We gotta do the outro.
Ah!
Chris.
What?
Don't.
You're thrown up.
Delicious. All right, guys. So that is the end of the Chubby Bunny Challenge. If you guys know who won, comment down below.
Oh, I can't. Hold on, I'm about to throw up. This is disgusting. Yeah, it's disgusting.
All right, guys. So that is the end of the Chubby Bunny Challenge.
Ow.
Was that fun?
No. No.
Yo, I felt like I was gonna throw.
Oh God, it was thrown up in my
It
mouth.
tasted like garbage.
I know.
I don't like marshmallows. Anyway.
It's only good when you're going camping.
Yes.
Oh God.
All right, guys. So that's the end of it, and have a nice day. Bye.
Wait.
everyone. So today we are going to do the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Probably supposed to say that twice.